कामनाएं और बधाई देता हूं और सबकी ओर से, सभी हाउस के सदस्यों की ओर से आपका स्वास्थ्य जीवन रहे और लंबा जीवन और मंगलमय रहे, ये कामना करते हुए आपको पुनः हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूं।
प्लीज
सर, आपको एक तो होली की बधाई, और जैसा कि नड्डा साहब ने कहा कि सभी के ओर से हम आपको ये चाहते हैं कि लंबी आयु आपकी रहे और हंसते हमारे साथ आप रहे। लेकिन आज आपको थोड़ा रेस्ट भी लेना है, क्योंकि कम से कम मैं तो सोचा कि अभी 2-4-6 दिन तो नहीं आएंगे, लेकिन आपका उत्साह और आपका एंथुसियाज्म देखने के बाद मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये आपकी जो काम करने का तरीका है या जो अपने कर्तव्य निभाने का आपका जो तरीका है, ये बहुत ही लगन से आप कर रहे हैं। इसलिए आपको मैं फिर एक दिवाली की मुबारक देते हुए, लंबी आयु हम अपेक्षा करते हुए मैं आपको धन्यवाद देता हूं।
Honorable members, I am greatly touched and concern was expressed that contributed to my speedy recovery. The leader of the House, the leader of the opposition were the first ones to get in touch with my family. Srimati Sonia Gandhi got in touch with my wife, as did the Chief Minister of several states, including West Bengal. That was enlightenment to me, that when it comes to a situation, how our hearts are connected. This will be a source of inspiration and enlightenment to me. The Honorable Prime Minister and others visited the hospital that was restricted. Many wanted to come. I express my deep sense of gratitude. I wouldn't like to name those who have shown, because there is hardly anyone who has not shown. Derek O'Brien, irrepressible as usual. When I called him on his birthday, during this period, he said, "Shut up, take rest." I take the items now. Papers to be laid on the table. Dr. L. Murugan.
Respected Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 2A in today's list of business pertaining to the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. Thank you.
श्री सतीश चंद्र दुबे।
आदरणीय सभापति महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सामने कर्म संख्या 2 का ख पर उल्लिखित कागजातों को सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्री संजय सेठ।
With your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House a copy in English, Hindi, each of the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 2C in today's list of business.
श्री तोखन साहू।
माननीय सभापति महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 2 घ पर मेरे नाम के समक्ष सूचीबद्ध कागजातों की एक प्रति हिंदी व अंग्रेजी सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्री राजभूषण चौधरी।
सभापति महोदय, मैं आज की कार्य व्यवहार की सूची में क्रम संख्या 2E में अपने नाम के सामने उल्लिखित कागजात सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
डॉक्टर एल मुरुगन।
Respected Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, on behalf of my colleague Sri George Kurian, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned at serial number 2, class F of today's revised list of business pertaining to the Ministry of Monetary Affairs. Thank you.
Messages from Lok Sabha Secretary General.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to report that the Lok Sabha at its sitting held on the 12th of March 2025 1. Passed the Oil Fields Regulation and Development Amendment Bill 2025 with some amendments. The bill was passed by the Rajya Sabha on the 3rd December 2024. I lay a copy of the bill as amended on the table. And 2. Adopted the following motion that this House do recommend to Rajya Sabha that the Rajya Sabha do appoint one member of Rajya Sabha to the Joint Committee on the Constitution 129th Amendment Bill 2024 and the Union Territories Laws Amendment Bill 2024 in the vacancy caused by the resignation of Shri V. Vijayasai Reddy from Rajya Sabha and communicate to Lok Sabha the name of the member so appointed by the Rajya Sabha to the Joint Committee.
Reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Defence, Shri Naresh Bansal.
धन्यवाद सभापति जी। आपकी अनुमति से आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के समक्ष यथा सूचीबद्ध रक्षा संबंधी स्थायी समिति के 7वें, 8वें, 9वें और 10वें प्रतिवेदन की हिंदी और अंग्रेजी की एक प्रति सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
Report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on External Affairs, Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi.
Respected Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table a copy in Hindi English of the 5th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on External Affairs, 18th Lok Sabha, on demand for grants for Ministry of External Affairs for the year 2025-26 as listed against my name in today's revised list of business.
Reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Social Justice and Empowerment, श्रीमती सुमित्रा बाल्मीक।
माननीय महोदय, मैं आज कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सामने क्रम संख्या 5 पर यथा सूचीबद्ध सामाजिक न्याय और अधिकारिता संबंधी स्थायी समिति का 5वां एवं 6वां प्रतिवेदन हिंदी और अंग्रेजी संस्करण में सभा पटल पर रखती हूँ। धन्यवाद।
मोशन फॉर इलेक्शन, श्री रवनीत सिंह टू मूव a motion for election of one member to the Council of the National Institutes of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management.
Respected Chairman, Sir, with your kind permission, I move the following motion that in pursuance of Clause 1 of subsection 2 of Section 28, read with subsection 1 of Section 29 of the National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management Act 2021, 19 of 2021, this House do proceed to elect in such manner as directed by the Chairman, one member from amongst the members of the House to be a member of Council of the National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management constitute under the said Act. Thank you.
Motion moved. Those in favor will please say aye. Aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Honorable members, taking note of the non-availability of some members in the panel, the following honorable members are nominated to the panel of vice chairpersons: Shri Pramod Tiwari, Dr. Sangeeta Balwant, Shrimati Dharamshila Gupta, Shrimati Maya Narolia. Honorable members, 10 notices have been received under Rule 267. The notices of
Sri Sukhendu Shekhar Roy, Srimati Mausam B. Noor, Susri Susmita Dev, Sri Pramod Tiwari have demanded discussion over the alleged lapse of Election Commission in issuance of multiple duplicate electors' photo identity card across the states. The notices of Sri P. Wilson, Dr. V. Sivadasan have demanded discussion over the concerns regarding upcoming delimitation exercise to southern states. The notice of Sri Samik Bhattacharya demands discussion over increasing instances of atrocities against SCs, STs and OBCs in the state of West Bengal. The notice of Sri Santosh Kumar P. demands discussion over adverse impact on account of the deal of two Indian telecom companies with Starlink. The notice of Sri Sanjay Singh demands discussion over the increase in crimes and deteriorating law and order situation in Delhi. The notice of Sri Harish Viran demands discussion over the increasing instances of drug addiction amongst youth and students in the state of Kerala. Honourable members may recall the detailed rulings on the Rule 267 imparted by the Chair on 8 December 2022 and 19 December 2022. The same have been reiterated a number of times. Since these notices do not conform to the directives imparted by the Chair, the same are declined. Please, matters raised with permission. Mani Sri Iran Kadadi, concern over nothing is going on record. Please take your seat. Please. Concern over increasing cases of fake surgeries in the country. Please speak. आपकी बात रिकॉर्ड पे जाएगी. प्लीज.
सभापति महोदय.
माननीय श्री ईरन कडाडी.
आपने मुझे शून्यकाल में बोलने का अवसर दिया. मैं सरकार का ध्यान एक अत्यंत संवेदनशील मुद्दे की तरफ आकर्षित करना चाहूंगा. डॉक्टरों को सदियों से भगवान का दर्जा दिया गया है, लेकिन आज चिकित्सा क्षेत्र में अत्यधिक व्यवसायीकरण ने इस पेशे की गरिमा को संकट में डाल दिया है. पहले जहां चिकित्सा एक सेवा थी, अब यहां लाभ केंद्रित प्रणाली बन गई है. मेडिकल कॉलेजों की ऊंची फीस, निजी अस्पतालों की बढ़ती संख्या और स्वास्थ्य सेवाओं की निजीकरण ने इसे बाजार आधारित प्रणाली में बदल दिया है.